There are women in our lives who leave an indelible mark on our souls. Women who inspires us to be a stronger, better and kinder versions of ourselves.
My biggest inspiration all through my life.
My mother has been an excellent cook.
And message for my wife. का जो पहला स्पर्श
My mom and my wife.
My mother, my wife, and my two daughters.
Food has the power to nourish our bodies and warm our hearts. But some cooks have a special magic in their hands, creating dishes that evoke memories and emotions.
उनके बनाए हुए कई पौष्टिक व्यंजनों को याद करता हूँ.
Who fights for her own thought and belief.
And she is very particular about selecting the ingredients for food, of providing nutrition, vitamins and minerals in the dishes cooked by her.
She has contributed whatever shape I have taken till date.
My wife. Not only she is phenomenal cook and a manager at home, but she is also a fitness enthusiast.
37 years professionally, and she has been managing my household.
Life can be a roller coaster, and sometimes all we need is a woman by our side who understands, guides, and believes in us.
हमेशा मेरी माँ मेरे लिए शक्ति की प्रेरणा है.
He is our unwavering support to me during my ups and downs. She is always there for me.
And it has played a very important role in keeping the entire family fit and healthy.
Place that these two ladies have always supported me emotionally and in all aspects.
जो सब कुछ छोड़ करके मेरे परिवार को संभालने यहाँ पे आई है.
And they are strong, powerful and courageous, and they deserve to be praised for whatever they accomplish.
मेरी माँ को सबको शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ.
Happy Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day.